Have you ever wondered why a material fails when a load is applied? To understand this, we need to learn a basic concept called stress. In this video, we will start with the fundamentals of stress in terms of strength of materials. Before going into the details of stress, let's us first understand the strength of materials. The strength of material is the study of how materials will react when an external load is applied. Now let us come to our main topic, what is called stress. Consider a cylindrical rod which is pulled by force F at the both ends as shown in figure. Can anyone say what happens to the rod now? As everyone knows, the rod will now tend to deform in the direction of the applied load, or the force. To resist this deformation, internal resisting forces develop in all the cross-sectional area of the rod. But have you ever wondered how this resisting force comes from the body? The answer is through the cohesion between the molecules bonding in the cross-sectional area. Hence the stress defined as the resisting force offered by the unit cross-sectional area against the applied load. We will see the details explanation about this in the upcoming videos. Next, let us understand why stress is required. Consider two different bars with different diameter. D equals 10 mm, B equals 8 mm, and it has subjected to the same load F equals 3000 N. Can anyone tell which bar will have more stress? The answer is the second one. This shows that the same load does not produce the same effect in all materials and geometries. And the smaller area will always result in higher stress. Stress can be expressed using different units. In SI system, stress can be expressed in N/cm2, N/mm2, N/m2 in Pascal. In MKS system, it can be expressed as kg/pound/cm2, kgf/m2. The major types of stress: area tension, compression, shear, and the bending stress. In this video we will only introduce the names of these stress types. Let's us summarize the key takeaways from this video. Stress is the internal resistance developed in a material when an external load is applied. The units of stress can be Pascal or in terms of pounds. And main types of stress are tensile, compression, and shear stress. I hope this video introduced the basic idea of stress and strength of materials. If you found this explanation useful, please continue watching the next video on types of stress. Thank you for watching.